Hello and welcome back. Just real quick before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share these videos with someone else you think would enjoy them. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 250. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 4. There's a 2 here. So 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here. So 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here. So 9, 8. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here. So 8, 4. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here. So this is our 5. And 9 here. So this is our 6 and our 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 6, 3. Finish off this column. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 7, no help here, 2, 5, 7, and a 7 here, so 2, 5. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7, so that means our 3 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here. So this is our 1. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. Got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 3 here makes this our 9, 3. For this top row then, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. Got a 7 here. So this is our 9, 7. That 7 makes us our 5, 7. We can get rid of this 7. For this box now, we're just missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes us our 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 there, so 2 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.